Welcome to The True Seeker, your gateway to the eternal wisdom of the Rig Veda. Today we're exploring Mandala 1, hymns 78 to 88, where Indra's divine strength and the radiant Vishwadevas ignite our spiritual courage in unity. Join us to uncover the power of the One Supreme Self. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's embark on this sacred journey together. Hymn 78, Indram Naro Yajati Vishvena Gayati Sana Prayati Saumyam. Meaning, O Indra, you inspire our worship with universal power. Men sing your glory as you guide us to divine peace, awakening strength within our hearts. Hymn 79, Indraya Sutta, Imagira Pratigayati, Sano Vishvena Saumyam. Meaning, O Indra, we offer soma and songs of praise. You unite us in harmony, filling our souls with divine strength and eternal truth. Hymn 80, Indram Vishvena Yajati Saumyam Gayati, Sana Prayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Indra, you empower our sacrifice with cosmic might. Your glory resounds, leading us to divine peace and unshakable resolve. Hymn 81, Indraya Nugira Sutta Vishvena Gayati, Sanoyati Saumyam Pra. Meaning, O Indra, our songs and soma rise to you in worship. You guide us to divine harmony, igniting the fire of courage in our hearts. Hymn 82, Indram Yajati Vishvena, Saumyam Samnadati, Sana Prayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Indra, you sanctify our worship with universal power. Your divine presence brings peace, empowering us to conquer all obstacles. Hymn 83, Indraya Vishvena Gayati Yajati Saumyam, Sano Vishvati Prayati. Meaning, O Indra, we sing your universal glory and worship. You lead us to divine serenity, strengthening our spirit with eternal truth. Hymn 84, Indram Samnadati Vishvena Yajati Vishvati, Sana Somyam Prayati. Meaning, O Indra, your cosmic power resounds in our sacrifice. You guide us to divine harmony, awakening the light of wisdom within us. Hymn 85, Maruto Vishvena Samnadati Yajati Somyam, Sana Prayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Maruts, you storm with universal energy, uplifting our worship. Your vibrant power brings peace, energizing our spiritual journey. Hymn 86, Maruto Yajati Vishvena Saumyam Gayati, Sano Vishvati Prayati. Meaning, O Maruts, you sanctify our sacrifice with cosmic vigor. Your radiant energy guides us to divine harmony, igniting our inner strength. Hymn 87, Maruto Vishvena Gayati Yajati Vishvati, Sana Saumyam Prayati. Meaning, O Maruts, your universal songs uplift our worship. You lead us to divine peace, filling our hearts with vibrant divine energy. Hymn 88, Maruto Samnadati Vishvena Yajati Saumyam, Are Sanoprayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Maruts, you resound with cosmic power in our sacrifice. You guide us to divine harmony, empowering our souls with radiant vitality. That's our sacred journey through Mandala 1, hymns 78 to 88. Indra's divine strength and the Maruts' vibrant energy have awakened our courage and unity, pointing to the One Supreme Self. Like, share, and subscribe for more Vedic wisdom. Drop your thoughts in the comments and join us next time for more hymns. Stay empowered and see you soon.